Hi, this is Terry from SurfaceProPlus. I'm going to show you how to clean your TV, and while you're at it, we're going to do the entire entertainment center. So let's get started. First of all, you never want to spray on electronics directly. You always want to put it on a rag first. So let's do that. And we're all done, and that was really simple. So the next time you have to clean your television set in your entertainment center, think Surface Pro Plus. This is Terry from Surface Pro Plus signing off, and shine on.